Are you still awake? Are waking up for me to see you, see you? Please just listen. Yes, I know it's late, but better late than never. I know it's 5 in the morning, not sure who I'm calling. You haven't heard from me in some time. Girl, I hope you want it. When you hear me talking. You know I've been out, and is it okay I stop by? When I'm drunk in the morning, I'm calling you. You might be lonely. When I'm drunk in the morning, I'm calling you. You might be lonely. Emma, I did, and Sophie I kissed, baby. Sarah I had in my hand, but I'm calling you. But not before it's past 2 o'clock, 'cause I'm ballin' with my boys.